Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about the power of double cleansing boosters and why discipline is key when it comes to unlocking their full potential. First and foremost, double cleansing boosters are essential for removing all traces of makeup, dirt, and impurities from your skin. By using a cleansing oil followed by a gentle foaming cleanser, you can ensure that your skin is thoroughly clean and prepped for the rest of your skincare routine. Secondly, discipline is key when it comes to incorporating double cleansing boosters into your daily skincare routine. It's important to make it a habit to cleanse your skin morning and night to maintain a clear, healthy complexion. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results with your skincare routine. So, make sure to stay disciplined and prioritize your skin's health by incorporating double cleansing boosters into your daily regimen. Uplift your skincare routine by unlocking the power of double cleansing boosters. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share with you 5 easy ways to boost your self-esteem and repair your skin barrier. These simple tips will not only improve the health of your skin but also help you feel more confident and empowered in your own skin. First and foremost, make sure to moisturize your skin daily. Keeping your skin hydrated is key to maintaining a healthy skin barrier, which acts as a shield against external stressors. Next, prioritize self-care activities that make you feel good. Whether it's taking a relaxing bath, practicing yoga, or simply going for a walk in nature, carving out time for yourself is crucial for boosting your self-esteem. Remember to practice positive affirmations and self-love daily. Remind yourself of your worth and beauty, both inside and out. Surround yourself with supportive and loving people who uplift you and make you feel good about yourself. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine will not only improve the health of your skin but also help you feel more confident and empowered in your own skin. You deserve to feel amazing every day. Uplifting ending sentence. So go ahead, embrace your beauty and shine bright like the star you are. Red Heart Dizzy. Hey there, gorgeous. If you're looking to achieve that coveted clear skin, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing with you 5 habits to develop for a radiant complexion. First up, make sure to cleanse your face morning and night. Removing dirt, oil, and makeup will help prevent breakouts and keep your skin looking fresh. Next, don't forget to moisturize daily. Hydrated skin is happy skin, so find a moisturizer that works for you and stick to it. Another key habit is to wear sunscreen every day, even on cloudy days. This will protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent premature aging. And lastly, remember to drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet. What you put into your body reflects on your skin, so nourish yourself from the inside out. So there you have it, 5 habits to develop for clear, glowing skin. Stick to these tips and watch your complexion transform. You deserve to feel confident and beautiful in your own skin. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to your journey to clear skin, you've got this. Glowing star. Opening scene. A young woman sitting cross-legged on a yoga mat, surrounded by candles and plants, a serene expression on her face. Friendly feminine introduction sentence. Hey there beautiful souls, today I want to share with you 5 mindful habits that will help boost your confidence and kickstart your glow-up plan. Transition scene. The woman taking a deep breath and closing her eyes, focusing on her inner thoughts and feelings. Main story point 1. The first mindful habit is daily affirmations. Start your day by speaking positive words to yourself, such as I am strong, I am capable, I am confident. This simple practice can shift your mindset and set the tone for the day ahead. Main story point 2. The second habit is meditation. Taking just a few minutes each day to quiet your mind and connect with your inner self can help reduce stress and boost self-esteem. Try incorporating deep breathing exercises and visualization techniques for an added confidence boost. Closing scene. The woman standing tall with a smile on her face. Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I'm sharing some amazing secrets to help boost your skin barrier naturally and enhance your focus at the same time. One key secret is incorporating essential oils into your skincare routine. Essential oils like lavender, tea tree, and rosemary can help soothe and protect your skin barrier, keeping it healthy and glowing. Simply add a few drops to your moisturizer or create your own DIY skincare products. Another secret is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water not only keeps your skin hydrated, but also helps improve your focus and concentration. Remember to sip on water throughout the day to keep your skin barrier strong and your mind sharp. So there you have it, beauties. By incorporating essential oils and staying hydrated, you can boost your skin barrier naturally and enhance your focus at the same time. Take care of yourself both inside and out, and watch your natural beauty shine through. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, self-care is key to unlocking your true potential. Stay focused, stay beautiful. 2 hearts.